Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento to eBay integration plugin. In the previous video, we showed you the backend configuration settings of this particular plugin. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the management options that the admin gets after the successful installation of the plugin itself. So the admin will get this option in the side panel after the successful installation of this particular plugin. That's the eBay Magento Connect, and under that he'll be having different options to manage the same. So before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm under the eBay Magento Connect, and here we have different options like map category, map product, map eBay order, real-time missed orders, listing templates, price rules, and configuration. Now you can access the configuration section of this particular plugin that we have already checked in the previous video by tapping here on the configuration option. Otherwise, if you want to navigate, you can also navigate to the same using stores configuration, and then under the Webkul block you will find the eBay Magento Connect, and on the right hand side you'll find the different configuration settings that we have already discussed in the previous video. So let me cancel that out. Now coming back to this eBay Magento Connect section, here we have the very first option is map category. So let me tap on that. So under this particular section, we'll be finding all of the mapped category list here. So here the admin would be able to map the store categories with the eBay categories there. And to map a new category, the admin can tap here on the map new category button on the top right hand corner. If you want to delete any category, you can select that up and choose delete to delete the same. So you have to tap delete and tap OK on the delete button thereafter. And to add a new mapping, what you need to do is you just need to tap here on the map new category button, and that will bring up the section wherein you will be able to map the store category to the eBay category there. So what you need to do for mapping a new category, you have to select Magento 2 store category. Then accordingly, you have to select the eBay category with which you want to map it up. For example, consumer electronics, if there's any subcategory, you'll have to choose that up as well. And then for the new mapping, you have to select the Magento attribute set that would be applicable to the same. And then you have to tap here on the save button thereafter. Now, after you have saved the particular store category mapping with the eBay category there, that particular mapped categories would be then listed here. Here you can see that I've already mapped the wristwatches with the gear watches at the wristwatches is at the eBay, and the gear watches is at the Magento 2 store end. Now one more thing is that after you mapped a particular category there of the Magento 2 store with the eBay category there, you'll have the attribute map option to the right of that there. So let me open the attribute map section. But one more thing I just wanted to tell you is that at the time of mapping, eBay condition and specification will be created as product attributes, and eBay variations will be created as super attributes for the configurable products in the Magento 2 store itself. Now coming to this particular section here you can see that after tapping on the attribute map here, we'll be able to map the wristwatches category attributes there with the eBay attributes there. For example, we have brand, so we can choose the particular one here, brand, and here I can choose brand. For gender, I can choose gender, and similarly I can do the attribute mapping there for the wristwatches category with the Magento 2 stores category product attributes there as per my requirement. And then I can tap here on the save attribute map to save the attribute mapping. Now let me cancel that out. So that was about the section, that's the map category, wherein we can map the Magento 2 store categories with the eBay store categories there. Now coming to the map product section, under this particular section, that's the map product, we'll be able to synchronize from eBay. That is, we'll be able to import products from eBay. After importing the products, we can run the eBay product profiler to create the products in the Magento 2 store. For the products that we have created in the Magento 2 store, we'll have to run the eBay product image profiler, and that would basically create the images for the products. And we can also export the products from the Magento 2 store into the eBay by using the export to eBay option. You can also go to the product listings as well by going to catalog and then products, and there as well you can select any product, and from the actions drop down you can choose to export a particular product to the eBay there. So for example, here we are on the product listing there. I can select a product, and from the drop down I can choose export to eBay. So from here as well, from the product listing section as well, we can export the products to the eBay as per our own requirement there. And after we have imported the products, those products would be listed here. As you can see, this is the map product list here. Now let me show you how we can import the products from eBay, but before that you can find the columns here like the eBay product ID, the product's thumbnail, the name of the product, the SKU of the product, the type, the synchronization status as expired or active, and from view link you can access the particular product in the product edit mode. Let me open that up for you. And on the product edit page, if I scroll down, we have the eBay product conditions as a category, eBay specifications, and the eBay product variations for the product there. We also have the default shipping details for the eBay there as well. Now coming to this particular section again, to import the products from the eBay, you have to tap here on the import products from eBay. You have to choose the start and the end dates for importing the products from eBay. You can also choose to import only the eBay active products by checking this option here. Otherwise you can uncheck that option if you want, and then you have to tap here on the import products from eBay, and this would basically fetch up the products that need to be imported from eBay into your Magento 2 store. So you can see that 5 products are imported successfully. Please run the profiler for create imported products on your Magento 2 store. So after we have done this particular thing, the page will refresh itself once, and then what we need to do is we need to then run the eBay product profiler by tapping on the run eBay product profiler. This will bring up this particular section, and you can see that the products have started to import. 3 of 7 products are being imported, 4 of 7, 5 of 7, 6 of 7 are being imported, and you can see total 7 products to import, and the products have been imported there successfully. Now let me cancel that out. So that was how you can import the products from the eBay first, and then run the eBay product profiler to create the products within your Magento 2 web store there. Now after that we have the run eBay product image profiler. So basically you have to run this to fetch the images of the products that you have imported from the eBay into your Magento 2 store. To do so, you have to tap here on the run eBay profiler there, and this would start importing the images of the products that have been basically imported there. So you can see that importing 3 of 5, importing 4 of 5, importing 5 of 5, and the 5 product images have been successfully imported there. And lastly, we have the export to eBay. I've shown you how from the product page, product listing page as well, we can export the products from the Magento 2 store into the eBay store there. Apart from that, for exporting specific products, you'll have to enter the product SKU here. Otherwise, if you leave this particular section as empty, then you'll be able to export the complete listing of the products from the Magento 2 web store into the eBay store there by tapping here on the export product to eBay button that you can see here. So this was about the map product. Now coming to the map eBay order section. Here you'll be able to see all of the orders that you've imported from the eBay, and here you'll find all of those orders. Here you can see that I've already imported 2 orders. Now one more thing is that here what you can do is you can also do a mask section to the imported orders, like you can delete them up, or if you want to import more orders, then you can tap here on the import orders from eBay, and this would import the number of orders from the eBay if there are any available. So you have to give a date range for the orders there. For example, if I am giving some date range, I'll tap on the import orders from eBay. If there are any available orders, then they'll be visible here, or the number of those orders basically would be visible here. And if there are any, then we can run the eBay order profiler to create those orders here within the Magento 2 web store, and those would then be listed here under the mapped eBay order list. Now after that we have the real-time missed orders. Now this particular section shows us the real-time missed orders whose address details are missing basically, and if there are any, what you can do is you can import the orders from eBay then manually if those orders are here. So here you'll find the eBay order ID, the error during the order create on the store, eBay order status, and the created at date here. Then you can select that particular one, and then if you want you can delete that out, the real-time missed order, or you can import that order from the eBay then manually by tapping on the import order from eBay there. Then coming to the listing templates, here you will be able to map the product attributes with the template variables. So here you will be able to first find the complete listing of the templates that you have created. You can mask delete the templates as well, or a single one by selecting that up and choosing a delete option. Or to add a new template, you can tap here on the add listing template. You can also edit any of the templates that you have already created by tapping on the edit link for the respective template that you have created. To add a new listing template, you just need to tap here on the add listing template button that you can see on the top right hand side, and that will bring up the new listing template section, wherein you have to enter the title of the listing template, the template content, set the status as enable, and then what you can do is you can map the product attribute with the template variables there. So here we have the Magento store product attributes, and on the right hand side we have the template variables. So from here you can select the attributes. For example, I'll be choosing it as product name. Then I can set the template variable as name. I can add multiple ones. Description, I can set it as DSC description, and then I can tap on the save button to save the particular listing template. So after that you can tap on the save button to save the particular listing template there, and if you want you can also edit any of the already created templates by tapping on the edit link for the respective template, and that would bring up the edit template page. So here's the edit template page, edit listing template page, and here's the title, the template content, and here are the map product attributes with the template variables. We have only added one description value. You can add multiple ones as per your own requirement there, and you can assign the template variables accordingly thereafter. So this was about the listing templates there. Now coming to the price rules. Now under the price rules you'll find the complete list of price rules that you have already created for your eBay products, and you can delete, enable or disable any of the rules that you have created. The rules can be created using the product price from and to values. You can set the price, the operation type whether fixed or percentage, the operation whether you want to increase the price or decrease the price of the products that fall within the product price from and price to values. So to add a new rule, what you can do is you can tap here on the add rule button, and that will bring up the new price rule section as you can see, and here you'll have to set up the price from, the product price from and to values, the operation type whether fixed or percentage, the operation whether you want to increase the price of the product or decrease the price of the product if that particular product price falls within the product price from and price to values, set the price with which the increase or decrease is to be done, and you can then enable that particular thing, and you can tap on the save product price rule to save the particular product price rule there. So those were the options that we just went through, that were the map category, map product, map eBay order, real-time missed orders, listing templates, price rules, and the configuration section that we have already seen for today's video tutorial. And I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the different management options that we get within the Magento 2 eBay integration plugin backend section to the admin there. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.